Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox on Windows 10. First of all, download the Kali Linux ISO file as follows. Click on the download button and select bare metal version as follows. Select the installer option and the download should begin shortly. Once the download has completed, open VirtualBox and select New to create a virtual machine for Kali Linux. Here you will set a name for your virtual machine. And on target, select Linux, and on version select Debian 64.
On a new adventure.
Set the amount of RAM you want to dedicate to the virtual machine. I highly recommend setting 2 GB or more.
Let me go, it's my time.
Set the following steps as follows.
Find another space, explore the world.
Now you have to set the amount of storage you want your Kali Linux virtual machine to have. I highly recommend at least 25 GB.
You won't see another day. We both know the score.
Now you have to configure your virtual machine as follows. Select it and click on Settings. After that, click on System and set at least half the CPU cores of your computer to the virtual machine. After that, click on Display and set the amount of video memory you want to set to your virtual machine. Set at least 128 MB. Now go on Storage and Controller IDE, select the empty disk and select the downloaded Kali Linux ISO file that you downloaded. After that, click OK and start the virtual machine. If this dialog shows up, simply select the Kali Linux ISO and click Start.
Let me go on a new adventure.
Here you will select Graphical Install and press Enter.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me.
Now you can start the setup process. Select your preferred language, location and keyboard layout as follows.
We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken.
Wait for a few minutes.
I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
Set up the following fields as follows.
Adventure.
Enter your username.
On a new adventure.
Set your preferred password.
It's my time, watch me build another life, find another space.
Here on partition disk, select the first option, guided, and click continue.
The night was worth your time, threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken.
Select the drive and then select all files in one partition and click continue.
I can take the pain.
Select yes and click continue.
It's a new adventure.
Now wait for the installation. Please note this may take several minutes depending on the speed of your computer. On software selection, leave every option as it is and only select and check the last option, large, to install additional tools and then click continue.
In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure.
Select yes on the bootloader installation and click continue. Select the drive and click continue.
Adventure. Let me go.
Once installation has completed, click continue and wait for reboot.
From me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
Now you have completed the installation. Enter the username and password that you set to start.
A new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find.
To fix the resolution, go to display and do as follows.
The night was worth your time, threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain.
If you want the taskbar to be on the button, simply right-click on it and do as follows. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe as your support will be highly appreciated. Have a nice day.